Very good morning, dear students of Standard 5th. In my last video, I have explained you about the lesson for all. Okay. Now here are some notes of a same lesson. So be ready with your notebook and pen. Now see, lesson 14, a lesson for all. Now here are some meanings which you have to write it down. You can see the meanings. Carton, a box made from thick cardboard for storing goods. Carton means what? A box. एक बॉक्स जो बनाया हुआ है गुड स्टोरिंग, कोई भी चीज़ स्टोर करने के लिए. Garbage, waste material or unwanted things that you can throw away. Wings, the side of a stage which cannot be seen by a people watching the play. Grumpy, easily annoyed and complaining. Presence of mind, the ability of making good decisions and to act quickly and calmly into a difficult situation or an emergency. यानी मन शांत करके कोई भी डिसीजन लेना, उसको प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड कहते हैं. लिम्पिंग, वॉकिंग स्लोली और विद डिफ़िकल्टी बिकॉज ऑफ एन इंज्योर्ड लेग और फुट. लिम्पिंग यानी क्या आपको पैर में मार लगी है और जिसके वजह से आप बहुत धीरे धीरे चल रहे हो, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड लिम्पिंग. Tripped, lost your balance after knocking your foot against something when you are walking. Sprained, caused an injury to the joint in the body by a sudden movement. Obstacle race, a race in which runners have to climb over, under or through a series of a obstacle. Fetch, to get someone or something. Retinue, a group of helpers and followers who travel with an important person. Okay. These are the meanings. You can see it down. See, and you have to write the whole meanings over here. Okay, from year to year. Again, I will give another meaning. See, this is the next second part of the meaning, and you have to note it down. Objective answer यहाँ से भी आ सकता है. So you have to by heart it. Annoyed became angry. Annoyed यानी क्या? गुस्सा हो जाना. Dispose of, to get rid of something. Dumping, to get rid of something. Dumping ground, a place where something unwanted is left. Endanger, to put someone in danger of being harmed. Hinder, to limit a ability of someone to do something. Can you see? And these meanings are very important to know, huh? Tolerate, to accept behavior that is different from your own. Roost, to rest or go to sleep somewhere. Dumped, dropped carelessly. Polluted, made dirty. Open your eyes, made us aware of something surprising or shocking. Shot out, to put in a correct place. Processing, preparing, changing or creating. raw material as a part of an industrial operations. Recycling, collecting and retreating rubbish to produce useful material which can be used again effectively in the way that is successful and achieve what you want. Assure, to make something certain to happen. Okay, see. This is side 1 meanings from textbook page number 33, and this is side 2 meanings. Got it? First you write down all the meanings. After that I will provide you question answer in my next video. Till then, thank you.